Hi, why don't you try this next example on your own and find the intersection of set A and B and also the intersection of set A and set C. All right, go ahead. So for the intersection of sets A and B, it's gonna be 2 and 8. As you can see, both of them are present in two sets. And then set A and set C, they don't have any common elements, and so it's another empty set for us. All right. Okay, so when we talk about sets, another way of showing intersection and union is by the use of a Venn diagram. So I'm pretty sure you've seen some Venn diagrams already from middle school. That's where you have circles overlapping each other to represent what are the elements for each of those sets, okay? So as you can see here, we have three friends who are going for camping. So they have different colors of bags. The items in each backpacks form a set. Which items do all three of friends have in common? Okay. So what we can do here is we can visualize what are the contents of those bags. All right. So let's have this way. So as you can see, for our yellow bag, let's have a circle over here. I hope it works properly, okay? So we have three bags, okay? And we are looking for the items that are common. So we will have three circles and they should overlap. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm trying my best to get it in there, okay? So do we have anything that is common to all of those three bags? So we have all three of them has a cap, a red hat, that one. Okay, so we have the hat in here. Let's write it down over there. Okay, that's the intersection of the three sets. So that area is common, okay? All of them also has a bottle of water. Okay, one, that, and then there's the bottle of water. Okay. And then do we have another that is common? If you take a look carefully, they all have a map. That's a map and that's a map. Okay. So we have a map. So those three items common to all three bags. Okay. Now, let's take a look. So let's say this is our yellow bag. Okay, this is our blue bag over here. Let's have this as the blue bag, that circle, okay? And then this last one is our red bag over here, okay? So let's identify, do we have anything common between the yellow and the blue bag aside from the map, the water, and the hat? So looking at our blue and yellow bag, one thing that is common between yellow and blue bag is, do we have anything in common in there? Nothing more. So he has a flashlight, none. Okay, they do not have anything common anymore, okay? So we do not have anything in this area. Nothing is common except these three items, okay? Now, what else can you see in the yellow bag? The yellow bag has a flashlight, okay? So you can see it has a flashlight. And what else do we have in there? So the flashlight is there. And then you have glasses. Sunglasses is there. Okay. Oops. Sunglasses is there. Okay. So nothing is common between yellow and blue except for these three. So this one is nothing. This area is no more. Okay. Now, do we have anything common between the yellow and the red bag? Well, as you can see here, let's use a different color. Okay. You will see that both the yellow and the red bag has a cooking pan there. Okay, they both have a pan. So that overlap, that is common to only yellow and red bag. So it's gonna be over here in this overlap. So they have both pan and then hat, water, and map. Okay, what else is in the red What else is in the red bag? And do we have anything common? So we already checked all of the contents of the yellow bag. Now let's see, do we have anything common between the red and blue bag? Red and blue bag, on the other hand, has, you can see they both have first aid kits there. Okay, so the common between red and blue is the overlap, and it's going to be this area. So we will put here first aid kit. Okay, and of course they are common with hot water and a map. Okay, so what else is found in the blue bag, and it's also just found in the red bag? So you will see here that only the red bag has a camera. Okay, only the camera is in there. Sorry, that's the, I'm sorry, my bad. That is in the blue bag. I got the wrong one, sorry. Boop, boop. That is supposed to be in the blue bag. The camera is just in the blue bag, so that's crossed out already. Every item is in there. In the red bag, the only thing that's present there is just the rope. Okay, so this is how we can create a Venn diagram. So you always start with, if you have like 2 sets, you will only have one area that's overlapping. If you have 3 different sets, there will be an overlap of the 3, and that represents what is present in all 3 sets. And then these overlaps here, so you can identify the 2 main circles, and you identify what is only common to those 2 specific sets. Okay, so this is how we can represent our Venn diagram. So let's, why don't you try this next example on your own and try to have it in your Venn diagram. Go ahead. So as you can see, if this is our Venn diagram, and answering the question which letters are in all 3 sets, it's only the letters A and E. So there is no common letter between set A and set B. So that's gone, only A and E. Same thing for B and C, nothing common between those. The only thing that has another common would be A and C, because A is the first 5 letters of the alphabet, and then C has the letter B on it. So that's a common, that's an intersection between set A and set C as well. So this is not included, only this one. And this is how our Venn diagram would look like. Okay, thank you.